Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will try to show you most colorful varieties of coleus. Coleus can bring colors to your garden, and coleus can grow in sun to shady areas. Water when soil is dry and it needs well drained soil, and there should be adequate drainage system. So let's begin the journey of colors. Number one is Burgundy Wedding Train Coleus. Its light need is full shade to partial sun. It requires regular watering and keep soil surface semi-moist but not soggy. Now move on to second one. Second is Flame Thrower Chipotle Coleus. This is relatively low maintenance plant, and its medium texture blends into the garden. Bold foliage color that add contrast to landscapes and container. They are also called sun coleus. Next is Main Street Sunset coleus. They also have so many varieties, include Dutch Mill, Drive, River Walk, Wall Street, Broad Street, and many more. So this is Main Street Sunset. Their foliage are so beautiful, bold foliage, and it gives colors to your garden also. Next is Stained Glass Fork Luminous. Luminous is fast growing and low maintenance variety. The flowers of this plant may actually detract from its ornamental feature, and their leaves are so beautiful, red in color, and it maintains its color whole year. Next one is redhead. Redhead coleus, it needs partial set to partial sun, requires regular watering, and more often in extreme heat keeps soil surface moist but not soggy. Next is lime thyme. Lime thyme is a tropical evergreen tender subshrub boasting bright leaves, easy to grow, low maintenance, and heat tolerant coleus. Now move on to next one. Main Street Ruby Road. A coleus with a beautiful magneta center spreading to maroon and light green. It adds vibrant, long-lasting color to your summer plantings. Next one. Main Street Broadway. This coleus is an easy care, sun tolerant variety that features bold reddish purple leaves that are aged in golden yellow, and it grows in 18 inches tall and 12 inches wide. Next one is Campfire. It has ornamental features, very attractive, serrated, pointy leaves remain orange in color throughout the year and grow about 20 inches tall. And this variety has a big, bold and bright foliage. Very beautiful coleus. Next is Trusty Rusty. Trusty Rusty is a tropical evergreen tender perennial boasting serrated copper leaves outlined in golden yellow and comes in stunning colors and patterns, and it is very low maintenance coleus. Next one, beautiful in green color, Main Street River Walk. Splashy colors at yellow and lime and can grow in full sun to shade, and its height can be 16 to 36 inches and spread 24 inches. Next one is Wasabi. Wasabi coleus that sold under the name Wasabi is a horticultural variety known for the light green coloring of its foliage. Leaves are large and serrated. And my last coleus is Watermelon. The most beautiful bright color splashes across every leaf of this coleus, adding high contrast color to the garden and need partially shaded spot in the garden. So friends, I hope you like the colors of coleus and you enjoy the varieties of coleus. There are many more varieties, but it's not possible to cover in one video. So please subscribe and please tell me in the comment box that you like it or not. And friends, stay safe and healthy. Bye bye.